हेलो किड्स, आज हम सॉल्व करेंगे SOF कंप्यूटर साइंस ओलंपियाड 2025-26 सेट बी क्लास थर्ड के लिए। तो इसमें हम लोग देखते हैं, तो जो पहला क्वेश्चन है वो ये है, लॉजिकल रीजनिंग का है। तो उसमें भी पूछा गया है कि टी पॉट इज़ द थर्ड टू द लेफ्ट ऑफ थर्ड टी पॉट फ्रॉम द राइट हैंड। तो जब हम राइट हैंड से काउंट करना शुरू करेंगे तो राइट हैंड से काउंट करने पे I, H एंड S, दिस इज बिकम द थर्ड टी पॉट फ्रॉम द राइट हैंड। अब इस राइट हैंड वाले टी पॉट के लेफ्ट में जो थर्ड नंबर पर है वो हमारा आंसर होगा। तो वो क्या है? 1, 2, 3 L. So the answer is D part, L. Okay. Now second question, how many groups of 3 scissors each can be formed from the given scissors? So the answer is B part. You can do it simply because 3 का ग्रुप बनाना है हमको और उसके बाद हमें उसको काउंट कर लिख देना है। नाउ इन विच ऑफ द फॉलोइंग ऑप्शंस द गिवन फिगर इज एग्जैक्टली एम्बेडेड एज वन ऑफ इट्स पार्ट? यू कैन सी दिस पार्ट इज विजिबल इन दिस पार्ट ओनली, राइट? यू कैन सी दिस पार्ट, राइट? आप यहाँ से देखना शुरू करो, ऐसे फिर straight line, right? So the answer is A part. Now the fourth question, Arjun reached his dance class at 3:45 p.m. He attended the class for 1 hour 45 minutes and then left for his home. Which of the following clocks shows the time at which he left the dance class? So उसने कितनी देर के लिए क्लास अटेंड करी? 1 hour 45 minutes के लिए। So 3:45 PM, तो उसमें आप 1 hour ऐड करोगे तो इट विल बिकम 4:45। देन उस 45 में आप फिर 45 मिनट्स ऐड करोगे तो 45 मिनट्स में आपका 15 मिनट के बाद आपका 5 o'clock हो जाएगा, क्योंकि आपने 1 hour ऐड किया तो 4:45 में आपने रेस्ट 45 मिनट्स ऐड किए। तो 45 में जैसे ही आप 45 को ब्रेक करोगे तो आप 45 को 2 पार्ट्स में ब्रेक करोगे। 15 मिनट्स जैसे आपने इसमें ऐड किए तो इट विल बिकम 5 PM। लेफ्ट 30 PM, 30 मिनट्स रह जाएंगे। जो 30 मिनट्स रह जाएंगे वो आपका बन जाएगा 5:30। सो द आंसर इज C part, नॉट द B part, C part. Arrange the alphabets given below to form a meaningful English word and identify the category of the word. So you can see bread, BREAD. It's a food item, right? So answer is A. Now identify X and Y. It is a component of CPU. It is a component of CPU that can store information either temporarily or permanently. Okay, it is a component of CPU that can perform basic mathematical operations, right? Okay, the sixth question is identify X and Y. It is a component of CPU that can store information either temporarily or permanently. So you can see memory unit, this can stores the information, right? Now Y part, it is a component of CPU that can perform basic mathematical operations. So this is ALU, arithmetic logic unit. This can perform basic mathematical operations. So answer is D part. Now question number 7, match the various tools given in column 1 and their functionalities given in column 2 with respect to MS Paint of Windows 11. तो we can see the Windows 11 कॉलम 1 में हमें दिख रहा है एक पेंसिल जैसा स्ट्रक्चर। दिस सिंबल इज नॉर्मली रिप्रेजेंट टू ड्रॉ थिन फ्री हैंड लाइन्स लाइक अ रेगुलर पेंसिल। नाउ सेकेंड पार्ट B, to draw thick, because this is a thick point, so to draw thick or stylish lines with different brush shapes and sizes. C part is to open edit colors dialog box. So we can see the C option is the correct one. Now question 8 is saying which of the following are the correct ways to open a program on a computer? 1, right click on the program icon and click the open option from the context menu. बिल्कुल सही, this is correct. Then the second part, double click on its shortcut option. This is also correct. C. Select the program icon and press enter key. This is also correct. So option is D. Now, ninth question. Unscramble the letters of the given word. So you can see there is M, I, C, R, O, microphone. So which category this belongs? This belongs to input device. So option is B. Now question number 10th. Aman has performed the following steps. Step 1, type the word information. Step 2, process. Step 2, press enter key. Step 3, type the word technology. What would be displayed on screen after performing these steps? So you can see the option A, information technology, right? Now question number 11. Which of the following options can replace X and Y to complete the given sentences? X is an example of search engine. Google Chrome is an example of a and Y. So what is the Y? This is option D, Google web browser, right? Now option number 12. Which of the following sequence of steps is correct to set the size of the drawing area in MS Paint of Windows 11? Which of the following sequence of steps is correct to set the size of the drawing area in MS Paint of Windows 11? File and image properties, right? पहले हम फाइल पर जाएंगे, then we will click on the image properties, right? तो option is B. 13th question. What is the full form of URL in terms of the internet? Uniform Resource Locator. Option number A. URL is Uniform Resource Locator. Option number 14. Which of the following tools has been applied on given image 1 to convert it into image 2 in MS Paint of Windows 11? So, you can see this is horizontal line. They just mirror image the image, this thing. So, what would be the answer? Option number B, flip horizontal. जब हम हॉरिजॉन्टल फ्लिप करेंगे इस इमेज को तो दिस विल बी टर्न लाइक दिस. ओके. नाउ 15th आंसर. A and N is a program on the internet that helps you find websites, pictures, videos or information using keywords. Option is search engine. A search engine is a program on the internet that helps you find websites, pictures, videos or information using keywords. Search engine, right? Okay. Now question 16. Question 16 is, which of the following statement holds true about keyboard keys? Statement 1. Control, Shift and Alt keys appear 2 times on a standard keyboard. Statement 2. Caps lock and num lock are called navigation keys. So which one is true? 16 question. Which one is true? It is A part. Only statement 1. Okay. You can see on the standard keyboard that Control, Shift and Alt, these keys appear 2 times. Okay. And caps lock and num lock are not called the navigation keys. Now question number 17. Identify the following. It is a type of computer that is much faster and more powerful than regular computers. As name suggested, supercomputer. If it is powerful and much faster, then it is supercomputer, right? Then we see the question 3. Then we see the option C. It is a design to handle complex, right? The option is C. Now 18th. Select the incorrect match. Takes photos, videos and helpful during video calls. Incorrect match हमें देखना है तो ये तो बिल्कुल सही है. Webcam tells the computer what to do. CPU This is also correct. Central processing unit. This works the computer. This tells the computer that what to do. Let you hear sounds, music or voice from the computer speaker. That is also the correct thing. Then copies pictures or documents from paper into the computer printer. No. What will be the incorrect option? It's D. Printer. 19th. Sarah has made a birthday invitation card using computer. Now she wants to take out 20 hard copies of it. Which device can help her? You can see the printer. Okay. Option what we can see in question number 18th. This does not copies picture or documents from paper into the computer. What is in the computer that prints on the paper through the printer? So the next question is showing the same answer, right? Now 20th question. Which of the following options appear in a document windows when all the contents of an opened window cannot be seen at the same time in MS Word 2016? Option is D. Scroll bar. Okay. Scroll bar. Now 21. Which of the following keys when pressed will allow you to jump directly to the end of a line if you are in the middle of a line in MS Word 2016? So what would be the answer? It's A part. And. Okay. Which of the following keys when pressed will allow you to jump directly to the end of a line? And key. Question number 22. Which of the following is or are the types of an impact printer? Impact printer, dot matrix printer, line printer or laser printer? Which of the following are the types of the impact printer? Option B. 1 and 2 only. Dot matrix printer and line printer. Okay, these are the impact printers. Which of the following statements holds true about the given type of computer? Statement 1. It allows to use fingers to tap, swipe, scroll and zoom, right? Statement 2. It is designed and to be kept only on the desk. No, this is wrong, right? This can move anywhere. So option A only is correct. So question number 22. Which of the following are the types of an impact printer? So we know that type 1 and 2, dot matrix printer and line printer are impact printer. Now question 23. Which of the following statements hold true about the given type of computer? As you can see, this is computer, this is tab in a tab format. So what is true about the tab? It allows to use fingers to tap, swipe, scroll and zoom, right? Then statement 2 is saying it is designed and to be kept only on the desk. No, this is movable object. So only statement 1 is correct. The option is A part. Now 24 question is which of the following statement is correct? Then a headset can be considered as both as input and output device. Correct. Output devices are used to show, display data or results of processing done by CPU. Correct. Input devices are used to enter data into the computer. This is also correct. So the answer is D part, all of these. Now 25 question, it is identify the following. It helps to show pictures or videos from a computer on a big screen so that everyone can see. In school, teachers use it to show lessons, stories or movies to the whole class. This is projector, B part. You have must seen this object in your teachers or in your classroom. Now 26th, select the incorrect match. Incorrect match. This is about the information technology questions, okay? Then A is the shopping app, correct? Amazon. B, a social networking app, correct? Instagram. C, WhatsApp messaging app, correct? But D, this is a search engine app? No, this is a web browser. in this format Google Chrome has launched. This is the symbol of that Google search engine, but this is a web browser where you can use emails and search and find any means you can get information. You can use the internet by using this web browser. Okay, this is not a search engine app. Now question number 27, an act of doing online shopping using the internet is called e-shopping. Correct. Now select the odd one out regarding the Google services. So this is Google's project. This is the Google project. We call it note taking app. This is Google Earth and this is Google News, but this is Microsoft 365. Okay, this is AI powered tools. This is not related with Google services. So the option is D. You must remember all those symbols. मतलब आज के बच्चों के लिए थोड़ा सा हेक्टिक हो गया है कि उनको ये सारे सिम्बल्स याद करने पड़ेंगे और ये भी बताना होगा कि ये गूगल सर्विसेज से रिलेटेड हैं कि नहीं. Now question is 29. The device shown in the given image can be used while you playing video games. Yes, you must have seen this in the mall, or maybe you have this product. This is called VR headset. The correct option is A part. 30th question. Which of the following options is an online photo sharing, video sharing and social networking service provider? You must say the answer is C part, Instagram, right? This is Google Drive, this is Cloud, this is we call it, this is Safari browser, which is related with Apple. So only option is left is C. Now we can see the 31 incorrect match with respect to MS Paint of Windows 11. So you can say A option is showing a picture and this is representing to remove the background of an image. This is the correct thing. B option, this is correct, to remove unwanted part of an image by selecting a specific area and trimming the rest. यही तो करते हैं ना पेंट में, ये ऐसे सिलेक्ट कर लेते हैं और जो रखना होता है उसे रख लेते हैं, बाकी सारे पार्ट को ट्रिम कर देते हैं. द सी ऑप्शन इज टू चेंज द डायमेंशंस ऑफ एंटायर इमेज. करेक्ट, दिस इज ऑल्सो करेक्ट, but we'll have to choose the incorrect option. So the option D is to change the orientation of orientation change करने के लिए हमें याद है ना कि यहाँ पर ऐसे क्रॉस टाइप का मतलब बना होता है और उसको हम लोग ऐसे रोटेट करते हैं, उस पर एक एरो जैसा बना होता है राउंड राउंड, तो वो उसके अकॉर्डिंग हम लोग जो ओरिएंटेशन होता है इमेज का वो चेंज करते हैं. सो दिस इज़ नॉट द करेक्ट ऑप्शन, दिस इज इनकरेक्ट. सो दिस इज आवर आंसर. नाउ 32. How many features of computers are hidden in the given word grid? So you can see the computers features. What are these? These are speed. There is speed in the computer. Calculation. We can get the storage. We get the accurate results, so the accuracy and diligence. These four are the tasks which we will get. So option is C. Okay. Question 33, what is it is saying unscramble the letters of the given word and then select the statements which is the or are correct. So this is microprocessor. You can see there is M, there is I, there is C, there is R. So this is a microprocessor. And what is a microprocessor? It is a small chip in the computer that helps to work and follow instructions. And when you play a game or type something, it helps the computer to understand what to do, right? It is used to read some specially printed characters found on checks. No. This is not correct. So option B, 1 and 2 only. Which of the following statements holds true about the given images? So what is this image? This image is Microsoft Edge web browser. This is launched by Microsoft. So the first statement is saying it is a computer program that works with wired or wireless internet connections, and it is a web browser made by Microsoft. It helps you use the internet to open websites, watch videos, and read news and more. Correct. Both options are correct. 34, the option is C part. Now 35 and the last question. Identify the following. It is a smart helper on the computer that uses artificial intelligence. Yeah, yes, this is the answer. A part. You can see Microsoft Copilot. Generate artificial intelligence chatbot. It is okay. So it can help a student to understand complex topics by providing explanations in simple languages. Developed by Microsoft. Correct. The option is A part, while the option B part is Safari web browser, which is Apple linked. Then this is Opera web browser. This is Microsoft storage. Microsoft store. Okay, so you can see the answer is A part. Okay, this is the last part of this Olympiad. Thank you so much.